Oh shit. I hope that's not us.
The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Craighead County in eastern Arkansas, northeastern Poinsett County in eastern Arkansas, west central Mississippi County in eastern Arkansas, until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm producing a tornado was located near Lepanto, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Osceola, Marktree, Lepanto, Caraway, Kaiser, Dias, Marie, Itala, Victoria, Three-Way, Jolliffe Store, West Ridge, Eastview, Lenny, Vale, Big Lake, Carson Lake, Dub, Mandalay, and Alto. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Arkansas, Craighead, Mississippi, and Poinsett. Flood watch remains in effect.